guess what arrived today? So the old Wordsmith Writing Coaches polo shirts are beginning to show their age. This one looks fine. Well, I hope it looks okay. Some of them have little food stains or something on them, or little snags are starting to develop, but actually they've held up really well. We're very happy with the quality of them and everything, so when it came time to order new ones, we just went with the same company, Queensboro. Great outfit. Trust the Queen. Trust the Queen. So I've ordered new ones for myself and my team. Let's open it up and see what we've got here. Hmm. Okay. Oh, yes. Awesome. There's no extra packing in this box. It's just straight up shirts. This looks like Deanna's shirt. This must be Jen Rader's shirt. Oh, and then this one is, well, that one's mine. And then there should be another one in here. Aha, here we go. This one is for Alicia Crane. And then we also have the royal blue shirts. This one is for Heather, I believe, Heather Rothman. This one would be for Saran Fox. Let's see. This one I think is Beth Kilpatrick's. And then Shannon wanted black. So we've got a black shirt for Shannon Zernhelt. I'm just going to leave these wrapped the way they are right now, and I'm going to send them to you as soon as I can. I would love to get a team photo together sometime soon. I just thank you so much for helping make Wordsmith Writing Coaches such an awesome outfit. You are all a pleasure to work with, and I really enjoy your partnership. You'll be meeting these fine people right here on this YouTube channel over the next few months. I really look forward to introducing them to you. So meanwhile, tell your story well and publish wisely. Oops.